Well, hello there, and thank you for joining me. My name is Patty Davis, and my business name is Crooked Tree Creations, Rustic Wreaths with an Elegant Twist. And I wanted to just introduce myself, get you to know who I am and where I started, and how I got to do this in the first place. In the first place, actually, let me tell you that there were some people that my husband knew that uh, went to craft fairs and sold both wreaths and wood, little snowmen and boxes and just little things like that. And really, they were retired from their jobs and really enjoyed doing it. And my husband suggested that I should try it. Okay. So I got on Pinterest and this is about 7 years ago, just an FYI. So 7 years ago, I got on Pinterest and just tried all these, looked at all the different things that I liked and went out, bought supplies to try to make anything myself. The very first one was a grapevine, and it ended up being a disaster. I bought some floral bushes and, just stuck the actual full bush in the grapevine. There was some that I cut off and I cut them entirely too short. I mean, so close to the flower that I couldn't even use them. And then I bought a ribbon that was non-wired and tried to make a bow. Did not work. I just ended up taking it all apart, done with that. Then I tried a mesh wreath, and the mesh wreath was a little bit better to a certain extent. I did the poof method going around. It was on an 18-inch form, so it was actually huge. And but what I ended up doing was I got some of that jute window pane ribbon and tried to put that with the shiny mesh. Just totally did not coordinate, did not look good at all. So believe it or not, though, once I realized what I did wrong, it was, the next year, I kept the mesh on, took that jute ribbon off, put other stuff in with it, and put a little sign in there, and it sold. So yay me. So the third wreath I tried was a coffee filter wreath. And I saw that on Pinterest and I thought it was beautiful, actually. And what I ended up doing to make one of those, just a natural sized, natural coffee filters, not the white ones, but the brownish tan ones, and dipped it into different colors. I tried to make it look like camouflage. So I had some brown and some green and just kind of dipped it in there, and then just made like a flower with that coffee filter and just pinned it to a styrofoam wreath. The problem with those, they definitely cannot be put outside. They have to be an inside wreath. And it never sold. As much time as I had in it and everything, I just thought, you know what, I'm not even going to try those anymore. I take that back. I did do a patriotic one, which did sell. And I just hope this person didn't try to put it outside. I don't know. So anyhow, after I did all of those wreaths, though, they really didn't turn out very well at all. And so I decided it was a complete failure and wreaths is something I shouldn't be doing. However, my husband, on the other hand, he decided that I spent over $100 on these supplies and he thought I should start a business. And I said, I'm not good at this. And he said, the more you do, the more you'll learn. And so that resonated with me. The more I learned, the better I got. And it really, really helped. And if anybody would have told me 7 years later I'd be doing instructional videos on how to make wreaths, I would have died laughing. There's no way that would have happened. But I love making wreaths. And actually, what I love even more is teaching. I love encouraging others to take that leap and try it. Try something you've never done before and learn to make something beautiful. And so it's something that I really enjoy doing. And whether you've been making wreaths for a while, or if you're just starting out, remember those words, that the more you do, the better you'll get. And, just keep at it. You definitely keep at it. And, I'll be right here. I'll lift you up. I want to get you where you want to be. So, I hope you enjoy my video. I plan to make many more of these. And I really hope, I can inspire you. I hope I can help you. I hope, you can learn from me. And, I want to do whatever I can for you. So I hope you enjoy yourself. I hope everything works out great. And, if you have any questions, you can find me on Facebook. My name is Patty Davis. You can find my business. It is Crooked Tree Creations, Rustic Wreaths with an Elegant Twist. And if you have any questions, definitely, find me on there, message me, and I'll do whatever I can for you. Okay. But thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. You have a great day.